How to update your Instagram account. If you want latest features on your Instagram account, then in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can update your Instagram account. The first thing you want to do is open the Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar, and here you want to search Instagram. From the results, go ahead and select this. Now if you find the update option, tap on that. Now the downloading will begin. You have to wait until the downloading is completed. After it has been completed, all the latest features will be available to you on your Instagram account. If you still do not get the features that you want, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Instagram application. After you have uninstalled it, again open Play Store or App Store, and then you can simply install it again. In this way, you can update your Instagram account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.